Mutton karahi is a delicious and spicy Pakistani dish that is cooked in a wok-like cooking utensil called karahi. Here's a simple recipe to make mutton karahi at home. Ingredients: 1 kilogram mutton, cut into small pieces, 2 cups chopped onions, 2 cups chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons ginger paste, 2 tablespoons garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 1/2 cup oil, fresh coriander leaves. For garnishing. Instructions: heat the oil in a large karahi or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onions and fry until they are golden brown. Add the ginger and garlic paste and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Add the mutton pieces to the karahi and fry for 5 to 7 minutes until the meat is browned. Add the chopped tomatoes and mix well. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are softened. Add the red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well. Cover the karahi and let the mutton cook over medium-low heat for 30 to 35 minutes until it is tender and fully cooked. Remove the lid and let the karahi simmer on medium-high heat for another 5 to 7 minutes until the gravy has thickened and the oil has separated from the masala. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with naan or chapati. Enjoy your homemade mutton karahi.